Hello friends. So I'm just moving towards the Kali Linux and I face problem after installation of the Kali Linux that my root password is not working. Might be the image problem. So I will quickly show you how to reset or how to crack the root password. So first thing, you need to select your Kali Linux. Just start it. So this way you can like reset any Linux machine's root password. Okay, so I'm doing this because I forgot to set it. So when you see this screen after restart, you need to select option as advanced option for Debian GNU Linux. Okay, so advanced option. After that we need to go on the recovery mode. Okay, so once you select the recovery mode, you need to press E as an echo key. So we are now editing. Make sure, make a note of it that your mouse will not work here and you need to go by the line by line. It's nothing like that you can go here and jump to the next line, that enter line. Okay, so you need to go by line and we need to find out something called as a Linux here. Okay, so here you can see it's a Linux. Here we need to go to the next line where from the read only to we need to change it to the read and write, that is RO to RW. Okay, press the key, that is the right side key, and go to the end of the GZ. Okay, dot gz, there put the space, type init is equal to /bin/bash. Okay, and press the F10 key. So let it boot. It will boot and log in as a root. Okay, so here from here you can change the root password. So simply you need to type as passwd space root and hit the enter key. Set your new password. Let me set mine. Okay, so root password is set successfully. Then you need to reboot your system. Okay, reboot -F, enter, let it start. Now we need to go with the Debian GNU Linux. Let it load. So I suggest you to do this only when required. Don't play around the systems to try. So like right now I can log in as a root and the password, which is working fine. So that's the way you can reset the root password for the Kali Linux or the ini Linux. This is the Rashid. Thank you. We'll see you later with the new video.